Action. Well, we're going to go ahead and do an cold start of the old 1986 Ford F-150. Haven't started in 2 weeks. And I'll explain later why it's been that long since she last ran. So, I'm going to give her a try without touching the gas. Yep, my foot's not even down there, so. Just heard the fuel pump. Here we go. Just like that. Oh, I just love hearing this thing roar. I still got a lot of gas in the tank from the last time I filled it, and it's been quite a while since I filled it. Oh, still got that misfire. There. Well, there you go. 1986 Ford F-150 cold start. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.